Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down until we will find sound and vibration. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down again in order to find this section, which is connected, as you can see, to the ringtone, to the message tone and the notification sound. So obviously here you can change 3 of those sounds, let's say, and I will show you how to do it using the ringtone. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the full list of all defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, we've got also a cool option to custom, so we can tap on it, select from files, and we will be transferred to the to the list of your own files which you've probably, I don't know, maybe downloaded or something, and you will be able to pick something from those options and set it as a ringtone. So that's quite cool. And here we've got also the vibration options, so you can decide if you want to use particular vibration pattern, or you can sync it with the ringtone or set no vibration. It's up to you, but let me focus on the ringtone actually. In order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, because I will focus on the system ringtones, then all you have to do is to simply tap on it and listen. And of course, let me volume up this device. So after tapping on it, you will be able to check different options, and if you're happy with your choice, so for example, if you'd like to set, in my case, the silence, I have to make sure that it is marked and simply go back. And as you can see, after getting back, you can see that it is notified right here, so it means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone in order to notify you about the incoming call. So, of course, it will work the same with all other options, so the message tone and the notification sound. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.